Hello everyone, this is Harshita from Interazzo and today we are here at Brigade Exotica to showcase our 3 BHK luxury interiors. Let's dive right in. For the foyer, we created this mini tall unit with HDHMR and UCO paint shutters with a fluted pattern. And for the shutters for opening, we have given this blunt push to open tip-on mechanism. We have also added this gold PVD profiles which are extending to the legs. And for the wall decor, we have given MDF and UCO paint circular ring with an embedded profile light and a sandstone mural in the middle for that added elements. For the TV unit, we continue the same theme of the foyer with HDHMR and UCO paint shutters on the drawers along with PVD gold profile extending to the legs.
In the TV unit, we have a Dolby Atmos speaker setup where we have 3 speakers located in the left, right and center, 2 surround speakers for creating a more immersive and realistic sound environment, a subwoofer for bass and 2 Atmos speakers for creating sound that naturally come overhead like rain or helicopter flying.
For the wall panel, we gave a wallpaper along with beveled mirror to the side. This entire house has been done in white, a tinge of beige and golden PVD profiles for that added elements.
We wanted to maintain the spacious look that the living and dining has, and to do that we have given a very interesting combination of peripheral false ceiling profile lights, downlighters and a cove light.
We are in the living area where we have created a center table with Caesar stone as the top along with a black glass. And for the Caesar stone part, we have given HDHMR treated with UCO paint. To the side, we have given PVD gold legs. For the sofa wall, we created a decor with MDF and UCO based wardrobes and we gave a wallpaper in the center.
To create a distinction between the living and the foyer space while adding a design element, we have created this stunning gold PVD partition with a brown tinted mirror.
In the dining, we created this beautiful photo corner with MDF and UCO based wall trips and an artwork with spotlights in the top. In the dining, we created this beautiful dining table with Caesar stone and for the legs, we gave a Caesar stone leg with the PVD for that added flair. And for the decor, we just gave a photo wall to make it more personalized. We have this beautifully designed grey themed kitchen with glass matte finish and Caesar stone emperor white for the countertop. We have the entire kitchen's video already done which you can find in the description or in the I button above. We have a puja unit in the northeast corner of the house in which we have given a rail door profile along with some design elements, and inside we have a Korean paneling with the backlit light. We are in this master bedroom now and here we have given a king size cot with a minimalist design for the headboard and we have given leatherite tufting on all sides along with a cove light. For the wall decor, we gave this leatherite headboard along with PVD matte T-putties and on the other side we gave PVC based interlocking fluted panels. We have created this beautiful gold with beige theme Aristo wardrobe to match with the rest of the house with a C profile. And as you open it, you find a sensor based profile lighting which we have given in all the wardrobes for the rest of the house. We have a hanger pull down mechanism to access those really hard to reach top shelves of your wardrobe. We have also created a space where you can keep all of your designer bags, and just below that we have a couple of drawers along with a multi-purpose pull-out for your jewelry and watches. And below that we have a set of drawers which are from EFCO. This has 15 kgs of weight carrying capacity each and comes with a glass front for easy access. We also have a console table with a couple of drawers and PVD legs extending till the bottom. We also have a dressing unit here along with the matte PVD gold profile with an ottoman stool and a couple of drawers to the side for added storage. We also gave a cove light for added flair. Many clients ask us for a decor in the kids' room which properly blends with the kids' theme. So here we have something special for them. In this room, we have created a king-size cot with a tufted headboard. And for the decor, we have created a hot air balloon-shaped decor with MDF and UCO paint. And we have given cove light in the back. On the other side, we have created a toy storage with MDF and Duco paint, which can be later utilized as a bookshelf as the kid grows up. And we have given some spotlights in the top. In the top and the bottom, we have given HDHMR with Duco shutters for storage optimization. Created a study unit with Technomat finish. And for the wall unit, we wanted to go with something different. So we have a laminated hut shape here. And for keeping the books, we have an open storage here, which acts as a study door. With the study unit, we created a hinged wardrobe with Technomat finish, circular panels, and a separate. We are in the guest bedroom right now, and here we wanted to do something which was simple, elegant, but went with the theme. So we have a king size cot with a linear tufted headboard, and for the decor, we created these MDF wall trims with Duco paint, bronze mirror, and wall-mounted lights on either sides. In the guest room, we wanted to optimize space, so we created two floor-to-ceiling wardrobes on either sides. And we wanted to entirely access the space at once. So we created this folding sliding wardrobe on one side and gave a hinged shutter on the other. These wardrobes are in Technomat finish, which is fingerprint resistant and scratch resistant. And they also have a sleek handle with them. On the other side of the bed, we created chest of drawers for extra storage with Technomat finish and golden teak profiles. And we have given Legna boxes with 40 kgs of weight carrying capacity. In the washroom, we created a sliding shower partition to optimize the space. On the other side, we have given a circular shaped smart mirror.
For the balcony, we gave a stone-based artwork and sofa from High Gold.